Hello. So last weekend we went to Mandarmani and it was a bike trip, basically one day trip, and this video takes you through the journey and whatever we experienced throughout the journey. So here is the first click and I'm ready for the ride. Core is also ready. He is taking blessings from God so that our journey is smooth. So we have started our journey towards Mandarmani and we started at around 6 o'clock and right now we are on NH6 and our first destination would be Kolaghat where we'll be having our breakfast. So let's go. So we are close to Kolaghat. We have almost covered 60-65 kilometers, and on the left you can see a huge structure. I'm not sure what it is, but it looks huge actually. We are crossing a place called Barunda and the hotel Sonar Bangla at Kolaghat is near to it. So you can see the road on left. You can take it to go to the Sonar Bangla hotel, and you can see the greenery on both the sides of the road. It looks beautiful. The chimneys at the Kolaghat thermal power plant and the bridge on Rupnaran river is clearly visible from here. So finally we are almost reaching the Rupnaran river bridge, and here it is. So talking about today's weather, it's very beautiful. Like we thought it would be sunny and it will be hot, but feels like the weather is also with us, and the sky is full of clouds and it's not at all hot because bike ride normally in the hot weather is really difficult. So I think we are going to enjoy a lot as the weather is also with us. Now we are taking a right turn as we have arrived already in Kolaghat, and now we'll take a left turn and we'll have decided to have breakfast at Shere Punjab Kolaghat because last time we came here the dish called chole bhatura and the tea was very tasty. So this time also we thought of having it here. So you can see the number of hotels, restaurants we have this side of the road. So let's see if we get it. And yeah, on the left side we can see the Express Food Plaza. Here also the food is also nice, but we prefer to have it in Shere Punjab Kolaghat as it is famous for the Punjabi food and all. So yeah, we have arrived. So today also we'll be ordering the same dish. So here it is, the chola bhatura. Gauri is really happy having chola bhatura, and like last time we forgot to click pictures of our breakfast, so this time we didn't forget, and I just love this tea. And one final picture before starting the journey again. So let's go. So on the left we can see the chimneys at Kolaghat thermal power plant, and we have again started our journey. And this is the toll. I don't exactly remember the place, so we have a bike, so we won't be paying the tax. So let's go and let's see what lies ahead. Just look at the sky. It looks like a canvas and somebody has painted it. It looks really awesome, so beautiful. So weather is really kind to us today, and I don't know which bridge is this, but it looks really beautiful. The clouds over the river, and it's not that a big bridge, but the river is full, and with this cloud over the river and this bridge, this journey is really becoming very beautiful. We just crossed a railway crossing, and seems to be a bit of traffic over here. Looks like some construction is also going on. You can see the half constructed overbridge on the right side, and again see the weather, the clouds, so beautiful, and it's not at all hot. We have just crossed Nandakumar, which is basically around 21 kilometers away from Kolaghat, and looks like it has rained some time back. The roads are wet, you can see. So we have to go straight to go to Digha, which is around 20 kilometers away from Mandarmani. So in the morning we started at 6 from our home, and we reached Kolaghat at around 7:45, which is 72 kilometers away from our home. So after having breakfast, like we took around 40-45 minutes there, and then we again started a journey from Kolaghat, and we just crossed Nandakumar, which is 21 kilometers away from Kolaghat, and now we are towards Kontai. The road condition is very good now, because like some few years back when we came, it was a really narrow road, and like the traffic was really scary, the buses and all. But this time it is the traffic is less. So finally we have reached Chaul Khola mode, which basically when you take left, this will go to Mandarmani, and like the straight road will take you to Digha. So from here it is around 10 to 15 kilometers to reach the hotels. So you can see we have actually put on our raincoats. The thing is, we just had to face a heavy rainfall for not more than 10 to 15 minutes, but we were completely drenched. But anyway, so we continued our journey when the rain stopped. Journey through this stretch will make you feel that you are about to enter Mandarmani, because you can see small lakes on both sides of the roads, and the billboards showing the hotels that are available over here. So this time we have not pre-booked any hotels, so we thought like we would go there and see which hotels we can select for just one day stay. So after checking 2 or 3 hotels, we chose Monsoon Resort because the price and the rooms and all looked good. So here we go. Here for one day stay was 2000 rupees. This excludes fooding. So here we are ready to hit the beach. We quickly freshened up and went straight to the beach. This is the main marketplace in Mandarmani. You'll get an auto from your hotel to this place. On this road itself, on the right side, you'll get this Park Hotel and Restaurant. The food is very nice over here. We have been to Mandarmani quite a number of times. This is not the first time. So it was always with either colleagues or friends, but this time we only two came, so we thought of exploring it more. So we came across this isolated beach, and like it was so beautiful. We didn't have the beautiful view just before the rains, the clouds and the sky where it is meeting the sea. It is looking amazing.